Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money fast watching ads in 2022. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which will happen very, very soon. So please put that code word down in the comments below. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is AtiClicks. So on this website, you're going to earn extra cash from your online activities. So they have high-paying surveys, several contests, completing offers, paid to promote, referring others, and task bonus. So we are talking about watching ads, and you can do that on here also. And you're going to make some good money watching ads on this website. So they've been online paying since March 2020. So this is a fairly new website, guys. So it's not really that many people on this website. So this is a good time to get on this website, make some money when it's hardly nobody on here. So you click right here to join, and these are the payment platforms that they use: Perfect Money, Payoneer, AirTM, Faucet Pay. And right here shows who've earned some money recently on this website. Now, it says here earn up to $20 plus from surveys and offers every day. So again, they have the surveys, offer walls, pay to promote, and contests. And check this out, guys. Exclusive affiliate program for maximum referral earnings up to 20%. So you're going to get 20% of the person that you, or the people that you refer to this website. Whatever their earnings are, you're going to get 20% of that. So here are the members' benefits. So effortless income from home, lots of different ways to earn up to 4 cents per click, earn up to 4 cents per referral click, guaranteed ads, surveys daily, and instant payouts. Now here are the total members. So it's 218,382 total members. That's not really a lot, guys. It's some websites that got millions of members. So this is still in the early stage. And this is the amount of ads that's been viewed. And this is the total offers that have been completed. And check this out, guys. This is the total paid, $17,658.39. So like I told you before, this is a very new website, haven't been around for maybe a year and a half, and they're not that oversaturated yet. Now I want to show you some payment proof, guys, so you'll know that this is a legit website. So I'm going to click right here where it says proof of payments. So they have first best paid, $717.43. Second best paid, $583.66. Third best paid, $418.16. And total paid again is $17,658. And here are some of the people that have been receiving their payments. So this person right here used Payoneer, $3.81. Total he made is $381. So he probably just started. So here's another one. Today, guys, this is today. $9.51. Total we've made $118. And as you could go down the line, you'll see all these people getting paid today and yesterday, and you can see the payment that they get recently and the total payment that they have received since working on this website. Now, one other thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you how it looks in the account and show you how to view ads. So what I'm going to do is log in right now. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account. So this is how it looks inside. So you can click right here to earn money and see right here where it says view advertisement. You just click right there. So, okay, guys, so here's the daily ad. So you can click on here to view an ad. I know it's some cents you're going to earn, but it don't takes but, see, as you see, 7 seconds to view the ad, and you'll get that you'll earn that money. And all of them are 7 seconds. Now you have some of the ads, here are standard ads, 30 seconds to view them. And here's some micro ads, only take 5 seconds to view them. And here's some bonus ads. So guys, that's all I'm going to show you within the account. So once you open up an account, you can go in your account, view all the ads, and if you want to do any of the other tasks in here, you can to make some extra money. So if you're ready to get started making some money viewing ads, go ahead and go to AtiClicks.net and get started. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to give shout outs. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep sharing my videos if you share my videos, and make sure you keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Road to 7,000 is coming very soon. Thank you. I really appreciate it. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.